So today we're going to talk about the three habits that helped me as a small business owner slash filmmaker. And the first habit is waking up early. Waking up around 4:30 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. And that's the usual time I wake up, and that's when I start my day. When I say start my day, I'm drinking my coffee or pre-workout and I'm heading to the gym. And that leads me to the second habit, which is working out. I believe that everyone should work out, especially if you're a business owner, because working out keeps your mind sharp. It keeps you thinking. It helps circulate blood in your system and blood into your brain. When I work out, when I do cardio in the morning, it's usually my meditation time. That's how I look at it. People look at it as for exercising and losing weight, but I use that time for meditation, and it helps me. It keeps me in a flow, and I'm thinking about what I'm gonna do during the day, or what is my next move, what's gonna happen in a few weeks. So I always do that. Well, I try to do that every morning. I'm pretty consistent between 3 to 5 days a week. Lately, I haven't been. Lately, it's been about 3, because of the fact that I do have a business and I have to take care of that. And I'm usually doing it first thing in the morning, especially if a client has a request or some kind of revision. But I try to, as much as I can, to go ahead and work out in the morning. And the last thing that helped me out as a small business owner is fasting. I don't know what it is, but ever since I started fasting in the morning, I feel more sharp, energetic. I feel like I don't feel that fog, that memory fog, especially after I eat. I'm usually fasted from the night before till, what is that? Sometimes 3 o'clock. One time I went to 4 o'clock. I almost did a 24-hour fast, but I had some steak waiting for me in the refrigerator, so I was thinking about that the whole time. But I am more productive when I'm fasting. But yeah, those are the 3 tips I have for small business owners. This is just a short video. I'll be back with more. Probably gonna talk about it more with other business owners. I recorded this thing about 8 times. I don't know what it is. I'm still not used to talking in front of the camera, but anyways, that's my tips. I hope you guys follow it. Let me know what you guys do or give an edge in business. All right, talk to you guys later. Peace.